Good morning to all of you. There is a question, straight question they have asked about a case law. So write short notes on Gopal Krishna versus Bar Council of India 2001. Actually Gopal Krishna Shatarth. Actually he is a senior advocate from I think Punjab and Haryana High Court. So actually this case relates to the evening colleges, running of evening colleges. This happened during the year 2000 or 2001. Yes, 2001 case. So actually this Gopal Krishna Shatarth, he has filed a public interest litigation against Rule 2, Sub-Rule 1 of the Section B in Part 4 of the Bar Council of India rules, that is legal education rules. They are the rules on legal education. So which held that only the day session should be held in the colleges and evening session should be closed from the academic year 2000-2001. So this is a clear indication that Bar Council of India stated, so they wanted to stop the evening colleges. Previously, when I worked in Nellore also, we used to see there was evening college in Nellore, VR College Nellore. Actually, the people, the employees, who after completing their office work at 5 p.m. they used to come to the college and they used to be there up to 8 p.m. Whenever I asked them, they say that, sir, we are from this college, it is evening college. I was wondered, and of course, I came to know that evening colleges exist by then. But this event has come into 2000 and 2001. Actually, before that, so Bar Council of India should have given some time to the colleges, and by holding that from next year or from the 2 years later, you should not run these institutions, evening colleges banned. But without that, suddenly they have given orders. So prior to that, what happened is this Punjab University, they have conducted examination, entrance examination for both the day college and evening college also, and about 300 students they were successful and they were found eligible. Now whatever their fate, for this purpose only he filed this public interest litigation. So now we'll go to the rule. So rule number 2(1) says that from the academic year 2001, so the course, the universities and colleges should run the education only day sessions. That is, law should be told only during day, and evening colleges should be closed. Right? So now the bill says that these directions are of course invalid, without legal authority, and they are violative of Articles 14, 21 and 30A of the Constitution of India, and they should be held ultra vires under the Advocates Act 1961 also. Of course their prayer is like that. Right? After so many deliberations, Supreme Court also held that the sudden amendment to Rule 2, that is Sub-Rule 1, that evening colleges should be closed, is not sustainable, and it is violative of Section 7(1) within bracket H, Sub-Rule H of the Advocates Act, because in consultation with, of course, legal education, so it can, the Bar Council of India can hold certain limits on the legal education, but in consultation with the Bar Council of the states and in consultation with the universities, but this is arbitrary or one-sided action. So it was not promulgated with the consultation of the universities in India. So however, a leverage has been given. However, BCI can pass such rule to promulgate the rule in accordance with the law. That means after consulting the stakeholders like the bar councils or the so-called universities or colleges, yes, they can pass the rule, no problem. Since it has been haphazardly given, then the Supreme Court says it is violative of Section 7. So of course, so Supreme Court also stated that they know the ground reality. They know the mushrooming growth of law colleges without required standards. Some colleges, even they give degrees even though the candidates did not attend even for a single class. So, but because of the students of the Punjab University who have been allowed to sit the entrance test and who have been successful, so for this year definitely they can be admitted, and after 3 years there will be no evening college. If the the so-called BCA passes that rule. This is the verdict of the Supreme Court. Good judgment. Of course, as an examination point of view, you have to write the answer also. Please cite the case law whenever you are asked a question on this topic. Thank you.